Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this channel. My name is Abdul Wahab. Okay, all right, so in today's video I'm going to tell you the step that I took to actually create a new working PayPal account that can actually receive and send funds in Nigeria. All right, so if you can actually see right now, I can receive money with this. I just created this PayPal. That is why the balance is empty. All right, so if I scroll down in this paper right now, you discover that I've actually confirmed my email, right? And there is no red flag in this new PayPal account that I just created, okay? And I'm going to tell you the do and the don'ts when you are creating your own PayPal account. And I also tell you what you need to create your own PayPal account. Then when you try it, if you face any challenge, then you let me know, okay? Right, so if you can actually see, if I scroll down in this very PayPal account right now, you will see that I've actually confirmed my email address. All right, and there is no red flag in this very PayPal account. Okay, so let me refresh for you to actually see that this is not a form of screenshot or any other thing. All right, I've just refreshed this right now, and I can refresh it again. Then I will now scroll down for you to actually see that this PayPal was newly created and there is no red flag in this PayPal account. Okay, so make sure you stick to this very end of this video, as I will be telling you the process. So I will tell you, then you try it and see. All right, because as at the time of creating this PayPal account, I did not document it in a video form. All right, so I'm going to tell you step by step what you need to do, what you need to do for you to be able to create new one, and what are the things that you don't actually need to do. And if you do that, your account will be restricted or it will be banned. Okay, all right, so let's go in right now. But before that, I'm going to log into my email right now and show you that I actually created this email right now. Okay, all right, so let's go in there. Let me show you the email I received as at the time of creating this very PayPal account. Okay, all right, so let's go in right now. All right, so right now I've just logged into my email. All right, and if you can actually see right now, you can actually see the date that I just created this PayPal account right now, being 25th of December 2022. All right, and if you can actually see, I'll scroll down right now for you to see that this is not a form of screenshot. Okay, and you have actually seen it that I just created this PayPal account. If you are facing any challenges creating PayPal account, so you need to stick to this very video, stick to the very end of this video, as I'll be telling you the step by step I took to actually create this PayPal account. All right, so let's go back to my browser. Let me show you step by step on what you actually need to do right now and create a new PayPal account. All right, so right now I'm back to the PayPal account. So, and I'll be telling you what you actually need to do right now to create a new PayPal account like this that can actually receive and send fund. All right, so I will also be telling you what you don't need to do. The first thing you don't actually need to do is don't use VPN. All right, if you want to create this PayPal account for yourself, all right, don't use VPN, right? Okay, so and the second thing you shouldn't do is that you should not use fake details to create your own PayPal account. Okay, as you can actually see, I use my real details here in the PayPal, as I have actually shown it to you in my email address. All right, so, okay, so the first thing you need to do right now when you are creating this is for you to actually create a new Gmail. I created a new Gmail as at the time of creating this PayPal account. All right, so once you are done creating a new Gmail account, so the country that you are going to use their PayPal is Lesotho. All right, Lesotho PayPal is still working, and I just created this one right now. So make sure you go to paypal.com/ls. All right, so once you are there, you should actually see, you shouldn't also on your GPS. All right, so your location is not necessary. Don't on your location, because it will change the address to Nigerian paper automatically. And if you don't know, at the end you see that you created a Nigerian PayPal. All right. So once you are there, you still follow the same method you have been using, which is filling all the details, and fill in the details with your correct details. All right. So at times you'll be wondering, why will you create PayPal and it will automatically be restricted? Is there anyone there that is actually monitoring it? No. The fact is, everything has been automated. Once you input your details, it will automatically scan your your ID that you actually provide. Okay, we're going to provide the number. Once it scan it and it sees that there is fake details, what you have in your ID is quite different from the name you are providing, it can be restricted automatically by the system. All right. So this is what you need to do. Your national ID card or your driving license or your international passport details should be correct, even if you have used it before and your paper still got restricted in the previous time. Use it again. All right. So once you use it, it should be the same thing with what you have. Your name should be the same thing with what you have in your national ID card or any ID card that you are actually using. All right. So these are the details that you need to have, and make sure it is your correct and real details. Once you do this, you are going to create a PayPal account successfully without any red flag. All right. So once you have actually tried out this one right now, then you let me know in the comment section of this video if you are able to create your own. But if you're not able to create your own, you can also let me know in the comment section of this video, as I'll be able to look for a way to help you out. All right. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this video, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video like this, you will be notified first. All right. So if you don't understand the process as I've just explained, you should also type it in the comment section of this video. Go and try it out. If it works for you, you let us know in the comment section. If it doesn't work for you, you also let me know so that I will actually help you out to create one for your business. All right. Okay. So thank you very much. I remain Abdul Wahab. See you in my next video.